Another miracle, Papa.
Since 2018, you need to hear this one, Daddy. Since 2018, the young man said he couldn't hear with the left ear. But right now, the ear has popped open.
He can hear.
Yes, he can hear.
Since 2018.
Yes, sir.
7 years deafness. Is this how you celebrate God in South Africa? Block this one. Block the one that was working.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Is this how you celebrate the Lord? Lift your hands. Father, let your anointing come upon him for a new life. Take it.